welcome. You're watching Next IAS English. My name is Titiksha Pandey, and today I'm going to talk about a very important thing for you. Now, this thing is a solution. ये एक solution है आपकी हर एक problem का. If you are a UPSC aspirant and you've been suffering through issues with guidance. देखिए UPSC is a long journey, we all know that. And in this journey, guidance matters, and not everybody's guidance. Quality guidance matters. And that is why we at Next IAS keep on bringing quality courses for you. And one of our course which is the most important for the aspirants is our GS Foundation course. Now, for the students who are preparing for Civil Services Examination 2027, our GS Foundation batches are starting. And these batches include complete syllabus coverage, may it be prelims or mains. Mentor, academic coach, they are available for personalized guidance. आपको one-to-one guidance हमारे mentors और academic coaches देंगे. And weekly current affairs and newspaper analysis classes. There are classes जहाँ पे weekly आपके सारे current affairs cover किए जाते हैं, plus newspapers के analysis. That is the most important. See, we know current affairs hold a huge chunk of marks when it comes to UPSC. So this becomes very important. Preparation based on the latest exam pattern. We all know UPSC का दूसरा नाम है unpredictable examination, right? So the pattern keeps on changing. और ये इस pattern के साथ, exam patterns के साथ आपको deal करना होगा. और इसीलिए the preparation is based on the latest exam patterns. Then weekly and monthly progress evaluation test. हफ्ते के महीने के आपकी प्रोग्रेस इवैल्यूएशन के टेस्ट किए जाएंगे एंड एडिशनल ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स. अब कभी ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप ऑफलाइन लेक्चर मिस कर दें, तो उसी के लिए वी ऑल्सो हैव एडिशनल ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स अवेलेबल फॉर यू. Online plus offline all India test series. Now there are test series also. आपकी preparation कितनी हुई है उसका evaluation कैसे होगा? Through test series, right? If you keep on giving test series, that will evaluate your preparation, the level of preparation that you have. And for that we have online plus offline test series available. Moving forward, let us talk about the GS Foundation course curriculum. Let us talk about क्या पूरा curriculum है. Classroom and core learning. Now there are 1100 plus hours of in-depth classroom teaching, 125 plus hours of current affairs classes. Both are combined. We will cover whole of the static portion and which will be aligned with the current affairs portion. Then specialized value-added programs. Now there are programs which add value to your preparation. Which are these programs? First, CAP, which is current affairs program, 50 hours. Then MAC mains advanced course, 75 hours. Then ethics enhancer program, 25 hours. Because a lot of times GS4 ethics में बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत आती है, क्या पढ़ना चाहिए, what are the sources, what all to do. So this will be the solution for all your ethics problem. Then dedicated essay course for 30 hours. Now essay, again 250 marks, very important. So that is why again there's a dedicated essay course which is 30 hours. All programs are fully integrated with classroom teaching. सारे ही programs fully integrated होंगे classroom teachings के साथ. Moving forward, let us talk about the testing and continuous evaluation. Testing हमारे curriculum का एक बहुत ही important part है. Rigorous testing होती है और evaluate किया जाता है आपकी progress को. So 40 plus weekly and monthly classroom test. 40 से ज़्यादा weekly और monthly classroom test आपको मिलेंगे. 50 plus of PTS plus prelims booster series for prelims specific and 12 tests for GS mains test series. So there are 12 tests for mains specific series and then 5 tests for essay test series. There are 5 specific tests for essays also. Then study material and content support. Everything. This is a very holistic program. हर तरीके से आपको, we will enhance your preparation. हर तरीके से आपको aid किया जाएगा इस program में. So content and study material will also be provided to you. What all will be provided? 19 comprehensive books for general studies. मैं बताऊंगी कौन-कौन सी books है ये in the video ahead. Then 12 monthly current affairs magazine. अगर आपको डेली न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने की हैबिट नहीं है, देन दिस विल बी अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. देन क्लास हैंडआउट्स एंड पीडीएफ्स एज एंड व्हेन रिक्वायर्ड. whenever there is a handout which is required during the class, that will be given to you. And all associated programs, जैसे कि मैंने अभी last slide में आपको बताया था, all the programs associated like CAP, current affairs program, MAC, SA with स्टडी मटेरियल के साथ आपको दिया जाएगा, प्रोवाइड करवाया जाएगा. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द मेंटोरशिप एंड एकेडमिक सपोर्ट. नाउ सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है एक अच्छा मेंटोर और आपको एकेडमिकली जो आपको सपोर्ट करे. सो दैट विल ऑल्सो बी प्रोवाइडेड इन दिस इंस्टीट्यूट. टॉपर्स इंटरैक्शन सेशंस एज पर अवेलेबिलिटी, they will be topper talks. You will be able to ask questions to the people who have actually given the examination, right? And one-on-one support by academic coaches. Our academic coaches are available for you every time to give you one-on-one support. Doubt resolution by faculties during and after classes. So there will be doubt resolution session with our faculties, expert faculties, classes के दौरान भी, during the class and after the class as well. And you just know that Next IAS has the best faculties. You can't deny that. So definitely there will be a doubt resolution by the faculty during and after classes as and when needed. Then डिजिटल एंड फ्लेक्सिबल लर्निंग एक्सेस. डिजिटल एंड फ्लेक्सिबल लर्निंग एक्सेस भी आपको मिलता है. कभी कभी you know that sometimes you are not well, you can't attend the class, you're unable to attend the class offline, so you can you have access to online recorded classes till prelims of the examination year. Sometimes what happens that while you are in the class, you skip some topic or you skip some point, you can go back to your home and again you can re-watch that same class, right? Offline access for missed classes in other batches. So if you want to see if you want that online में नहीं हो पाता है उतना preparation अच्छे से, then you can again go to an offline class of other batches. You can sit in other batch and attend that particular class. All right. Then 100 hours access to offline and online class in next year's batch. Now for revision also, अगले साल के किसी batch में आपको 100 hours classes मिलती हैं for next year's batch for revision purposes. Then access to digital content via the Next IAS app. अभी Next IAS app install कर लीजिए. You will get ample of information there, and there will be access to digital content also. All right, moving forward, let us talk about the interview guidance. Now, hopefully जब आप मेंस क्लियर करके यहाँ आएंगे, then you will get 3 months of comprehensive interview guidance program. तो मैंने आपको बताया कि पूरी जर्नी में Next IAS will be with you, and when we say it, we mean it. So 3 महीने का comprehensive IGP interview guidance program भी आपको मिलेगा. Then post course completion support, and there will be post course completion support also. So when you complete a particular course, after that also you will get support. What will be that support? For prelims, you will get access to current affairs program, PTS and PBS at subsidized fees. Very subsidized fees में आपको इन सारे programs का access मिलेगा. For mains, access to mains, advanced courses and test series, free of cost for multi-year. Right? So this is free of cost for multi-year, and access to IGP without any charges for multi-year. Okay? So when we say that you all are family to us, to Next IAS, we mean that you are family to us, even after the course completes. Moving forward, let us talk about the books for general studies. So जो भी books included होंगी आपके course में general studies के लिए, these are the list of the books: Indian Geography and Disaster Management, Science and Technology, Physical and World Geography, General Science, History of Modern India, History of Ancient India, History of Medieval India, History of the World, History of Post-Independence India, and then Indian Society, Indian Polity, Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude, Indian Economy, Internal Security, Ecology and Environment, International Relations, Governance in India, and Art and Culture. So I have explained everything to you. Now let us talk about the timings for Delhi, Old Rajendra Nagar. Okay, so these are the timings and courses that are starting. The course that is starting at latest is 23 February 2026. The timings are 8 to 10 a.m. Then 26 February 2026, the timings are 11:30 to 2:30. Then 9th March 2026, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. 16th March 2026, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. These are the batches of Old Rajendra Nagar. And these are the batches of the Mukherjee Nagar. So the next batch which is starting in Mukherjee Nagar is from 26th March 2026, in Prayagraj 19th March 2026, in Jaipur 23 February 2026, and these are for old Rajendra Nagar. The timings have already been told to you. So this was a whole package that we are going to provide you in our GS Foundation course. If you're preparing for CSE 2027, this is your chance to grab it. And if you have any further inquiry, we are open. You can call us on this number, 8081300200. You can call us on this number, or you can visit our website, www.nextis.com. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. And at last, all I want to say is quality guidance matters. हर किसी की सुनने के बजाय उस इंसान की सुनिए जो आपको actual में उस सीढ़ी तक लेके जाएगा. So that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.